What will happen in the circuit if switch 1 will be closed? Please notice that we have 3 lamps connected in this circuit together in parallel. If power is connected to the circuit, this lamp is on and 400 milliamps will go in this branch. If this lamp is on, another 400 milliamps will go by this lamp. If I'm going to close this switch, okay, if I'm going to close this switch, another 400 milliamps will flow by this branch. Please notice that 3 times 400 milliamps will give me 1.2 amp. This fuse can hold the current, maximum current, just 1 amp. Means 1 amp is the maximum current which can flow by this fuse. If you are going to force this fuse to hold 1.2 amps, okay, let me just write this down. I total is equal I1 plus I2 plus I3, which is equal 400 milliamps plus 400 milliamps plus 400 milliamps. This is equal 1.2 amp. Okay, so this current is too big for this fuse. So it means that this fuse is blow. Okay, so this fuse is going to blow, and simply there will be no light in this area. If we talk in terms of room, or let's say street, so it means that in order to make this circuit functioning with 3 lamps, we're supposed to change the fuse to have a value greater than 1.2 amps. So the answer for this problem is that the fuse will blow. This is my solution.